Have you ever met someone and thought if only they could see the real me, they had fell in love? What if I told you that love is not just some magical accident, it is a process you can influence? Today, we are diving deep into the psychology of love, real science-backed strategy that can help you spark genuine connection, emotional intimacy, and even love. This is not manipulation. This is understanding the human brain, emotion, and connection on a whole new level. Let's decode the psychology of attraction. In this video, you will learn the psychology behind emotional bonding, the secret of building irresistible attraction, how to connect on a deep, lasting level, and the truth about making someone fall for you ethically and authentically. Whether you are crushing on someone, looking to strengthen a new relationship, or simply curious about how love actually works, this is for you. First, understanding love psychologically. Love is more than butterflies in the stomach. Psychologists say it is a combination of proximity, similarity, vulnerability, and positive reinforcement. Let's break this down. First, proximity, the power of being around. According to the Murray exposure effect, people tend to develop a preference for things simply because they are familiar with them. The more someone sees you, the more likely they are to like you. So, if you want someone to fall for you, be present, be in their environment, whether it's socially, professionally, or digitally. 2. Similarity. We love what feels familiar. Humans are drawn to those who share their interests, values, and even speech pattern. This does not mean you should fake similarities, but highlight and connect on things you genuinely share. The brain feels safer and more relaxed with someone like us. Third, vulnerability. Emotional opens build intimacy. People fall in love when they feel deeply understood. Share something meaningful about yourself, not your deepest secret, but something real, and encourage them to do the same. A psychologist author Aaron discovered in his famous 36 question experiment, mutual vulnerability is powerful. 4. Positive reinforcement. Make them feel good. People remember how you make them feel. Give sincere compliment. Appreciate the little thing and create positive experience together. Dopamine, the feel-good chemical, gets associated with you. Number 2. The science of attraction. Attraction starts before love. Here are some psychological triggers that enhance attraction. First, eye contact. Long warm eye contact increase feeling of connection. Studies show couple who hold eye contact longer report feeling more attracted and connected. Number 2. Mirroring. Subtly mimic their posture, tone. 2. Mirroring. Subtly mimic their posture, tone, or expression. This creates a sense of familiarity and harmony. Third, scarcity and intrigue. Don't give everything all at once. Let them discover you gradually. Humans are drawn to mystery. When you are slightly unpredictable or not always available, it triggers intrigue. 4. Confidence with humility. Confidence is attractive, but arrogance is a turn off. Be comfortable with who you are while being genuinely interested in them. Number 3, building emotional connection. Now that attraction is initiated, how do you build a foundation for love? First, shared experience. Doing new or exciting things together increase oxytocin and adrenaline chemical associated with bonding. It does not have to be extreme. Try a new activity, go on a spontaneous trip, or even share a favorite movie. 2. Active listening. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Ask thoughtful questions. Reflect back what they say. This makes someone feel deeply seen and valued, and that is rare. Third, appreciation and gratitude. Regularly express appreciation. Gratitude reinforce positive emotion and keep the emotion bank full. 4. Trust and consistency. Love grow in environment of trust. Keep your word, show up, and be emotionally consistent. Number 4. What to avoid. If you want someone to truly fall in love with you, don't do these things. Don't manipulate or parented. Authenticity always wins. Don't chase obviously. It creates pressure and make you look desperate. Don't try to fix them. Love them as they are. Don't ignore your own self-worth. People fall in love with those who value themselves. Number 5. Become someone worth falling for. Here is the secret most people miss. If you want to make someone fall in love with you, be someone you would fall in love with. Work on your passion. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Build your confidence. Live a life that excited you. Because at the end of the day, people don't fall in love with perfection. They fall in love with connection, energy, emotion, and a life they want to be part of. Final thought. Love is not about chasing or convincing. It is about connecting. If you are understand human psychology, show genuine interest and build emotional intimacy, you can spark real love. Now tell me, what is one quality you think makes someone truly lovable? Drop it in the comment. I would love to hear your perspective. And if this video helped you understand the science of love, give it a like and subscribe for more deep dive into human behavior and psychology. Remember, love is not magic. It is mindset, moment, and meaning all coming together at the right time. Keep growing, keep connecting, and who knows, maybe love is just around the corner. Thank you so much, guys.